Our body has organs and each organ performs actions. Is it like that? Yeah, it is. Our today's discussion has two objectives to achieve. First, how to enrich our vocabulary. Second, what is meant by verb. Let's begin with the first one. Make a list of your body organs and write the actions each body organ performs. Let's talk about the actions we perform, we do, we carry out with this body organ. What are those? Very simple. We open, close, move, wave, touch, give, take, push, pull, toss, throw, catch, pick, drop, cut, join, press, tie, erase, write, wash, drink, eat, hold, pat, drag, clap, slap, rub, poke, and so on. And other body organ which we all have is brain. What do we do with that? Let's make a list of most of the actions we do, we perform. Think, imagine, plan, decide, understand, misunderstand, comprehend, conceive, memorize, analyze, realize, like, dislike, accept, reject, admire, praise, deny, criticize, appreciate, love, hate, clear, clarify, rationalize, prove, explain, idealize, motivate, convince, and many more. And you can do all this with all remaining body organs. I'm sure you will. Make a list of things in your surroundings and write what we do with each thing. For example, book is one of the things in our surroundings. What do we do with the book? We author, type, proofread, edit, print, bind, publish, distribute, transport, sell, buy, borrow, return, cover, care, derive, highlight, apply, familiarize, and many more. Make a list of places in your surroundings and write what we do at each place. For example, bedroom. What do we do? We enter, arrange, unfold, dust, spread, adjust, remove, change, lie, sleep, dream, relax, refresh, regain, awake, leave, wear, fold, exit, and you can add many more. I'm sure you can. Make a list of the activities which are carried out in our surroundings and write the actions we do during that particular activity or for that particular activity. For example, the activity I am going to talk about is driving. During this activity or for this activity, we fasten, insert, start, press, release, gear, emit, steer, accelerate, increase, decrease, maintain, overtake, signal, indicate, focus, follow, avoid, obey, violate, turn, exit, stop, reverse, park. And there are a number of actions which you can include in this list. I'm sure you can. There are legion ideas in our minds. Ideas, such as success, failure, love, hate, pleasure, knowledge, respect, honor, business, rule, service, kindness, cruelty, cooperation, fame, and so on. Each of these ideas makes us perform some action to venture that idea. This is the idea in our mind which makes us do some action in order to venture that idea. I'm sure you got the point. Well done. I'm going to give the example of knowledge, one of the ideas. Knowledge, an idea. Knowledge makes us create, invent, work, strive, find, visit, travel, move, migrate, spend, consume, dedicate, devote, determine, develop, consult, choose, assess, evaluate, analyze, examine, redefine, reshape, review, reconsider, and so on. Make a list of the characters, the roles our society is composed of. Some of the characters which make a society are mother, father, parents, children, daughter, son, teacher, student, doctor, patient, driver, passenger, pilot, steward, air hostess, shopkeeper, customer, lawyer, judge, client, and the list goes on. We know that each character in the society has specific actions to do, to carry out, to perform. For example, judges. What do? Judges hear what?
اعدلوا هو أقرب للتقوى واتقوا الله.
This practice helps us in expanding our vocabulary in a systematic way. I think. Don't you? Share your opinion, please. The second objective of our today's talk was to know about what a verb is. The answer is very simple. Whenever and wherever we talk about whatever we do in any role or as any character, whatever we do with our body organs, with anything, at any place, for doing any activity or during any activity, for any idea. Whenever we talk about any of all these, what we do? We always use a word. This word which we use to talk about our action is called verb. In my today's video, I shared with you more than 150 verbs. Did I? Yes, I did. There are more than 10 types of verbs, and each verb has 4 forms. What are those? A detailed session on some other day, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.